The UBA tool has a lot of use cases out of the box, but what if I want to add additional use cases, offenses, that I want them to contribute to the risk of the user? So in this particular case, we have this user, RSTOOPS, which has currently a risk score of 0. However, we can see here in the offenses, we don't have any offense, and we can start with clean logs. And what we're going to be doing, and this is documented in more detail in another video, is that we're going to replace some logs of a particular attack, in which the attack is basically the user logins into a Windows system. Shortly after, he's going to be inserting a USB key, and that's what this device connect from the DLP logs is detected. And then we detect that he goes into a website that has that is restricted, and we added a reference set and we put the names of the websites. In this particular case was WikiLeaks, and that's what this actually tells us. Then he disconnects and then he logs off. We can see that that is the actual user. And what we have is that soon after this happened, an offense is actually going to fire. And here it is. The offense comes in. We can look at the details of it. But what I want to actually do quickly, as I've done many times before, is go into the actual rule that we created to detect these use cases. This use case, and then this is the device. The user inserted a USB key and went to a website that is one of the restricted one within at least one time within 5 minutes between the two actions and with the same user ID. Good. But the key part here to make it contribute to the UBA, which is the point of this short video, is actually here. With this, we are dispatching a new event as a consequence of this offense, and by putting in the description this sense value equals 15, and then you can put whatever description you want between single quotes, what we are actually doing is contributing to increase the risk score of this particular user, RSTOOPS, by 15 points. And if we go to the UBA tab and refresh the screen for RSTOOPS, we see that his risk score has increased. It is that easy to get your offenses to contribute to the risk score within UBA.